Ladies and gentlemen, it's 10 o'clock. Let's start the program. At the outset, I request our host, Praveen, to start the invocation.
Vakratunda Mahakal Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Shubhakaryeshu Sarvada.
My dear trailblazers, a very, very warm welcome to you on a Sunday morning. We are asking you to come to DTTS, but today it is definitely worth it because we have two fantastic speakers with us who are really going to motivate us. At the outset, let me welcome our District Governor, Rotarian Professor Jose Matthew to this program. A very, very warm welcome to you, Jose. We have with us as the inaugurator of this program and the keynote speaker, PDG T.N. Subramanian Raju to all of us. Then we have as guest of honor, District Governor Dr. Samir Haryani from District 3190. A very, very warm welcome to you. We have also our three guides who are guiding me and all the members of 3181, District Advisor K. Krishna Shetty, and District Councillor Dr. B. Devdas Rai, and District Trainer Dr. R.S. Nagarjun. A very warm welcome to our respected past district governors. I would also like to welcome the future leaders of 3181, DGN A. Ravindra Bhatt and DGND Rotarian Prakash Karan. I also see our my advisors from the Council of Governors, past Governor GK, past Governor Krishna, past Governor Ravi Appaji with us. A very warm welcome to all of you. Let me also welcome the targets of this DTTS, the chairman, the co-chairman, vice chairman, and all the members of the committees of 3181 of 2020-21. I would also welcome the members of the secretariats who have planned to make this meeting, and the people who are really motivating the presidents of this year, my dear assistant governors. A very warm welcome to you. I would also like to welcome the zonal coordinators, zonal lieutenants, the president and secretaries of this year, and all the Rotarians who are here in this participating in this meeting. A special welcome to our host, Praveen Udupa, who is doing exemplary work regarding this hosting of this seminar. Without much ado, I would now request our District Governor, Jose Matthews, to make his opening comments.
Good morning to all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good morning to all. Past District Governor Raju, popularly known as Raju, T.N. Balasubramanian, the chief guest of today's function. District Governor and my batchmate, Samir, District Governor-elect Ranganath Bhatt, District Advisor, past District Governor Krishna, District Trainer, Dr. Nagarjun, District Councillor, Dr. Devdas Rai, past District Governors, GK Balakrishna, my club member, Ravi Appaji, Krishna, that is again, he is from my club, future leaders, DGN Ravindra Bhatt, DGND Prakash Karan, assistant governors, chairman, vice chairman, and other fellow Rotarians. I'm so happy today because my batchmate is the guest of honor, and my good friend Raju is the chief guest today. I'm sure that most of the past district governors and the future leaders will surely recall the way the indoor institute was conducted, and the entire credit of organizing that institute goes to T.N. Balasubramania, popularly known as Raju. Congratulations for organizing such a wonderful institute at Indore from the members of RA District 3181. And welcome to our district, Raju. At the same way, Dr. Samir, who is our batchmate and live wire of our batch, is the one who was responsible for the organization, again, for the MC part and the announcement, all those slides, everything was his contribution. Not only this institute, even the past institute, he was the one who did all those programs. Samir, congratulations again for you for organizing such a wonderful show, and welcome to my district. Friends, these two are excellent speakers. Raju was also trainer for us when we were governors. We know how well he used to present the classes to us and how well he make us understand the various concepts, especially matters concerned with the or connected with the Constitution. When we speak about the training basically, if you ask, is the learning process or teaching the new skills for the new people. But here, I don't think the chairman or the other people who has to get training are not new. They are all stalwarts. But I'm sure that the interaction with Zamir and Raju will surely help you to get new ideas and new informations in the Rotary. And I'm sure that that will benefit the chairman and the other leaders of the district. And once you get informations, your duty is to see that you execute it in the proper manner in your concerned areas. Many times what we see, not only in our district, in most of the districts, when we interact with the governors, they say that namesake many are becoming the chairman. And once their photo is there in the directory, nobody is bothered to do further. But let me tell you, friends, the governor has, as I said earlier, has got confidence in you. That is the reason why they have given each area to the person whom he felt that he is capable enough to discharge the duties. And I'm sure that you will surely do your best to make the governor's year, that is 2020-21, a successful year. And I'm sure that you will be the guiding spirits to your other members in that respective areas. And this training, I'm sure that will benefit you in the best possible manner. Wishing you all the very best and wishing Ganga all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor Jose Matthew. Ladies and gentlemen, if there is anything Governor can wish for, he should wish for a governor, a predecessor who will help him and guide him. And I have a guide and person who supports me and helps me in everything in Professor Jose Matthews. Thank you, sir, for being for every program that I have organized. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all aware that unless teams perform efficiently and have a vision and goal, we don't know in which direction the district will go. And it's a huge responsibility for the district teams. And I have been fortunate this year in that every person that I have asked to be requested to be a district chairman, they have not said no, and they have not shirked from their responsibility. And I am very, very grateful to all of you. I think almost all the chairmen have joined for this meeting. And to know more about the district team training seminar, I request our district trainer, past governor, Dr. R.S. Nagarjun, to make his comments.
Good morning to everyone. District Governor Joseph, DG Ranga, today's chief guest, my friend Raju Subramaniam, and guest of honor Dr. Samir, future leaders Ravindra Bhatt and Prakash Karanth, past district governors Krishna Shetty, Devadas Rai, GK, Krishna and Ravi Appaji, district chairmen, members of the district committee, assistant governors, presidents, and Rotarians. You have been handpicked by DG and Ranga to lead the district committee. By appointing you to the committee, Ranga has recognized your skills, experience, leadership qualities, enthusiasm. And it is our turn to show all this. To motivate all of you, we have with us none other than Raju Subramaniam, as Joseph put it. He is the architect of one of the best institutes I have attended, Dare to Dream Indore Institute. He was there during my district assembly to train my presidents, and I was very, very happy about the way he has conducted the training program for the presidents. Welcome to you, sir. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. We also have one of my good friend, Dr. Samir. I had an opportunity of interacting with him as a assistant Rotary coordinator for membership during the membership development seminar. I was very much impressed by the innovative ways of training the people and motivating the Rotarians about the membership. And I was sure that he is going to achieve much more. And he has proved that he is the real achiever of 2021, not only in India, but in entire Rotary world. Welcome to Samir, and we are eager to hear from you. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the district chairmen, and I'm sure they are going to do excellent work. Thank you. Over to Ranga.
Thank you, past Governor Nagarjun. You are doing a great job of organizing all these programs. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, when I was young, I used to play a lot of cricket. And I also wanted to go for matches, but as time went on, it then got limited to watching the cricket matches only on television. Then my son was born and he wanted to see a cricket match. So in 1999, I went to Bangalore, and I have seen only 2 one-day cricket matches in my life, and both because my son wanted to see them. And in the first match, it was the match between India and Pakistan. And that was the first time I saw Sehwag and Tendulkar bat together. They came to open the innings. And the way they systematically destroyed the opposition was really great. And both of them, they look very similar on the field. And Shoaib Akhtar was the fast bowler. And he was, my God, he was totally demotivated. Similarly, a team like that I saw in the Indore Institute. They are very, very similar looking gentlemen. Our RI director, Bharat Pandya, and our keynote speaker, who was the chairman of the Indore Institute. The way they carried out the program, the finesse of the program, and the ruthless way in which the punctuality was adhered to was something great. It was not only an education for us in Rotary, but they showed us how exactly to carry out a program. So it was really good, and we have the chairman of the institute, Mr. PDG Raju Subramaniam, with us, and let's have a look at his AV.
past district governor, Rotarian T.N. Subramanian, is a charter member and past president of Rotary Club of Deonar. He has held various positions in all avenues of service, such as district chair, avenue chair. He's also been an assistant governor, district secretary, and chief coordinator. He's been a convener, forum leader, panel member, trainer, faculty, and speaker at pre-PETS and at intercity forums, district assembly, A to Z of Rotary, PETS, DTTS, and various other seminars. He was the convener for the outstanding district assembly at Nehru Center for the centennial year and also the centennial RI President visit, Rotary Foundation seminars in various districts all over India. He was the district governor of his district during the year 2009-2010. He's been a facilitator at the Kochi, Bangkok, Hyderabad, Dubai, Kuala Lumpur and Chennai institutes, chairman of Transportation Committee, Bangkok Institute, Rotary International President's representative to Rotary International District 3350 Bangkok, RID 5300 USA and RID 3212 and 3160. He was the district trainer for the year 2011-12. DRFCC from 2013 to 2016, member Rotary International Director Nominating Committee, member National Committee Rotary India Literacy Mission. From 2015 to 2018 is the member of the RI Constitution and Bylaws Committee, chairman RI Constitutional and Bylaws Committee, and 2016 and 2019 member Organizing Committee of the Council on Legislation. He was the chair, Inter-Country Committee, Switzerland, Liechtenstein and India. Director, Fellowship of Rotarian Past District Governors, Chairman, Rotary Zone Institute, RRFC for Zone 4 from 2020 to 2023. PDG Raju, as he is lovingly called, is a senior advocate practicing on the original and appellate side of the Bombay High Court, various High Courts and in the Supreme Court of India. He has appeared in a large number of important matters. An active student leader, he was General Secretary of the Jai Hind College Students Union and the Government Law College Students Union. He was the first General Secretary of the Bombay University Students' Council and first student member of the Bombay University Senate. He was Honorary Secretary of the SIES Group of Institutions and Trustee for 20 years. His family, wife Vidya, is a special educator. She is the immediate past District Chairman of Innerville District 314. Blessed with two daughters, Ashwita, a qualified doctor married and settled in Australia, and Captain Rohita, married and a commercial pilot who was flying with the Jet Airways. PDG Rotarian T.N. Subramanian is a member of the Arch Clump Society, a benefactor and a member of the Paul Harris Society. His wife Vidya and daughters Ashwita and Rohita are Paul Harris Fellows. Ladies and gentlemen, Chairman of the 2019 Rotary Zone Institute, past District Governor, Rotarian T.N. Subramanian.
Raju sir, we are waiting to be motivated by you. Praveen? Praveen?
Yeah, Raju sir, you can speak now. Hello. Hello.
Raju sir?
Raju sir, can you hear us, sir?
What happened?
Raju sir, can you hear us, sir?
Yeah, there's something wrong. Give me a minute. Yeah, there's something wrong. My computer, the internet has gone off. Give me a minute, please.
You're audible, sir.
I am audible, but I may not be. I can't see anybody at all.
Oh, okay.
Something wrong. I'll go out and come back. Okay.
No, that has been spotlighted. I can keep it like this so that you can see.
No, my screen has gone blank. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Doesn't matter if I'm not seen. It's perfectly all right. Can I start my address?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You're visible, sir. No problem. We can see you.
But I can't see you, no, Rangnath. I don't know what's wrong.
Okay.
So anyway, it doesn't matter. Instead of wasting time on that, thank you, DG Ranga, for giving me this opportunity of coming back to your district again. I've come here pretty often, and it's been always been a nice learning curve for me, and it's been a pleasure to be amongst the Rotarians of your district. Of course, I have a lot of friends whom I must first greet: DGE Ranga, DG Joseph, my friends Krishna, Nagarjuna, Devdas, GK, Ravi, Krishna, DGN Ravindra, DGN D Prakash, my friend and a man who's been supportive for all institutes and all functions, and a great governor of this batch along with Jose, Samir, my fellow brothers and sisters in Rotary, fellow travelers in Rotary, and leaders of Rotary. District team training seminar is an absolutely important function in the course of preparation for a year when Rotary will give you opportunities. These opportunities which are open for you will be entirely open only if you succeed in proving yourself to be a part of a team carefully chosen by Ranga for the purpose of giving credit to your leadership, your ability, and the faith in you to support clubs during the year. We are traveling through very difficult times. You are going to travel through even more difficult times in the coming year. But it is only when these times trouble us that our leadership comes to the fore, and we then excel as leaders in whatever we do. And I'm sure that with the command and the respect that each one of you have earned, and having been a successful leader in your clubs and in the district in the past, you will perform better than ever before with great application of mind and with two important factors. I always believe that Rotary positions are never positions of power. They are positions for service. If they are positions of power, it will be something that you'll be taking away from the ethos of Rotary, because this is not an organization of which you are the boss. Each person invited to join Rotary is a leader in his right. You are leading leaders. And when you're leading leaders, two hallmark qualities that are essential for ensuring that you lead the leaders well, even though one may be a club president or somebody may be a mere chairman for the first time in an avenue of service in the respective clubs, are simplicity and humility. If these two qualities are imbibed in us of simplicity and humility, we will be showing that quality of leadership which will take us further in ensuring that we are successful in the district, supporting the clubs, and ensuring that every club becomes an effective club. The essence of great leadership, my friends, is influence, not authority. And great leaders always don't tell what to do. They show you how it is to be done. And that's your role. Your role is to show the club, the president and the team how to do things to ensure that they have a successful year and have all the hallmarks of an effective club performed. Each of you will get clubs that may not be an effective club. But I am sure that you will, with your ability, ensure that each of those clubs become an effective club on the 30th of June next year when you lay down the office. Please see our vision statement now. It says, together we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe, in our communities, and in ourselves. The crucial expressions in this, 4 words which really bind this vision statement, is together people create change. Remember, my friends, working together is the key to success. Never have a complex that I am superior, I can tell you something. No, that's no attitude at all. In fact, the attitude should be one of friendship, of love, of affection, holding a hand to make them cross the bridge. And if you hold their hands to make them cross the bridge, not only will you be a loved leader, not only will be a popular leader, but you would have achieved your goal, which has to be essential of having performed your responsibility, which of course is going to be delineated by my friend Samir in greater detail, well, with a sense of satisfaction at the end of the year. And my friends, this vision statement gives us 4 strategic priorities or objectives. Increase our impact, extremely essential. Have we increased our impact? Have we leveraged the polio success? Have we focused on our programs and offerings? Have we improved our ability to achieve and measure the impact? Look at it. If we increase our impact, there will be growth in Rotary in manifold and multifold ways. Membership will grow, service projects will grow, leading to better public image and leading to a better public understanding of Rotary, its ideals and what we stand for. We need to expand our reach. Any organization that is static can never grow. You have to have growth as a part of our organization. Just see where we are. From the time that I have heard of membership, it has been 1.2 million, except on the 1st of July this year, we fell down to 1.9. Now, my friends, we need to grow membership. Then we need to create, therefore, new avenues of membership. The 2016 and 19 Council on Legislations have expanded your horizon, your vision, your ability, your adaptability, and your prowess to have such membership as you like, because it has given you the autonomous nature to build on your membership, to create more membership with greater ideas and vision. And if that is the openness with which the council has given you that power, that authority, you need to ensure that the clubs build on this. You are authorized to have your own bylaws, which can even conflict with the standard club constitution. Why is all this empowerment given to our clubs? Because the leadership is understanding of the fact that it is the clubs and the clubs alone that can build on and expand the reach of Rotary. It is their projects that builds awareness and creates an impact. It is their projects that makes the people aware of how selflessly Rotary works. Take the example of today's COVID crisis. The amount of work that Rotarians have done going out of their way to ensure that they feed the migrants, feed the needy, and have helped Rotarians and even organizations like corporations and hospitals to provide them with PPEs, etc. It's having its own impact as a public image of Rotarians selflessly contributing to the society. The one thing I think we need to engage in is, which I think I'm generally addressing this, is that we need to have better participant engagement. I think we are neglecting our members. Neglecting our members has led to poor attendance at club meetings. So this is something that we need to do, that the members ought to be engaged. You must keep the members involved in whatever you do. You must develop a participant-centered approach, and you must give every member an opportunity of growth in the organization, giving them an opportunity of showing their leadership, expanding their leadership, building on their leadership, and creating future leaders for the club and also future leaders beyond the club. Friends, one important aspect of all this is that we need to adapt to new situations, a new world, a changing phenomena. COVID-19 has left a world which is bound to change. A change which you would never thought of or dreamt about 3 months ago. A change which is now completely impossible not to accept. A change by which we now meet on Zoom and have much better attendance than when we used to meet in person. A change when we now gather together to share our experiences. And I think this adaptability is the other important aspect of the vision statement. And you must therefore be more adaptable in all that we do, in whatever we do and wherever we do. And for the district leaders, it is therefore essential for you to adapt to this new norm, the new change, the new inevitable change after COVID-19. And keeping one thing in mind, my friends, we should never forget what our core values are. Our core values of fellowship, integrity, diversity, service, and leadership, with each one having an honored position and an equally important position in improving our organization, building our clubs, and ensuring that Rotary grows in RI District 3141. And one thing, my friends, I want to tell you, I believe and very strongly believe that it is not the certificate what is important. It is not the award which is important. But what is important is the satisfaction of having served. Served in whatever capacity we have been asked to serve. Whether a district governor-elect Ranga, which supported by the current governor Jose, or by Krishna and the team consisting of GK, Devdas, Nagarjuna, all of them. All of us have to realize that each year is as important as the one in the past and as important as the one in the future, because it is this year that will give a platform for building the future in the next year. And it is that platform that we must provide to both Ravindra and Prakash. And you will be the harbingers of building that platform. You will be the people who will build that strong platform under the capable leadership of Ranga to ensure that both Ravindra and Prakash further build upon it to ensure that the flag of 3181 flies high in the Rotary world. It is for you to ensure that you take up the history of the past, build on the past, and also embrace the future. You need to evolve and keep evolving in Rotary. Rotary can never be static. Any organization that is static is bound to have its fate in death. And we are a growing organization whose need is now more than ever before to serve the communities of the world. And if we are a growing organization with need to serve the communities ever before than before, then I think we must evolve and keep thinking, making Rotary relevant in everything that we do in our daily lives, in the service that we do, and also in the fact that we will be serving the clubs which are assigned to us. There is no job which is insignificant in Rotary. I believe that if this team does not work, Ranga's working will come to a complete standstill. He has in fact felt that this is a team that will take not him forward, but the district forward. It is the selflessness of the work that we do, my friends, which is crucial for the success of any Rotary year. It is not what I do or what you do, but it is what we do that is relevant for the ensuring the success of any Rotary year. And I think we need to keep this in mind, that I by myself stand alone, but we together are a crowd that nobody can ever touch, and that for whom that crowd, nothing is impossible, nothing is not achievable. And therefore, believe in working together. Merely because one of you is a district chairman for, say, Rotaract, does not mean that you cannot work with the district chairman for a medical or a or any of the other non-medical projects or anybody else. Work together as a team. Assess the strengths of the clubs together as a team. Share your experiences with your fellow district chairman once you assess the club. Have a SWOT analysis of the club before you go in. Understand the strengths of the clubs to make the club stronger. Understand the weaknesses of the club to lessen those weaknesses or convert the weaknesses into strengths. I think, my friends, if we all do this together, we will be able to achieve what our RI President-elect, Holger, wants us to think of Rotary opens opportunities. It's an opportunity available at every step. The point is, do we recognize that opportunity? After recognizing the opportunity, do we take steps to build on that opportunity and convert that opportunity into a success story? And I think, my friends, when I'm talking of success stories, the one thing you must keep in mind in Rotary, we do so much, but we never share our success stories. Build on your success stories, however small, however big they may be, my friends. Even if they are a small success story, it will touch somebody's heart. Remember, touching the heart of a Rotarian is the pathway to success to whatever you want to do, whether it be membership, whether it be foundation, or whether it be community projects. All of us, my friends, must keep also in mind that it is Rotary that connects the world. Raju Subramaniam, a resident of Bombay, would never have known a Krishna Shetty, never have met a GK, would not know an orthopedic, fun-loving guy called Ravi Appaji, who has built so many houses in Kodagu, would not know that these houses have been built in Kodagu. But what is it that binds us, my friends? It is that pin, that wheel that moves to bind each of us together as a family serving humanity. And if that is the wheel that binds us to serve humanity as a family, and if we are a Rotary family, extended family or family, I would call it more than anything else, then in the family, there should be harmony, there should be love, there should be affection, and there should be an attitude of give and take. Forgiveness and acceptance of somebody's mistake is, I think, the greatest hallmark of a good leader. A good leader does not think that he is the embodiment of all virtues of leadership. A good leader is one who also knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And I think, my friends, when we talk of good leadership, one is most important thing that we need to understand is a good leader is a person who knows what he has to do, respect for self, respect for others, respect and responsibility for all his actions. These 3 R's of respect, and responsibility must be your guiding force as you, as district leaders, participate in this campaign of building Rotary, strengthening Rotary, making our organization in 3181 a far better organization than what Jose has built upon so far. You have the foundation of what Jose has built upon. Give to the future leaders a foundation that they can build upon. Give to them a Rotary, gift to them a Rotary that they will be proud to take upon and build upon it themselves. Friends, let's together aspire to do whatever we can, in whatever manner we can, to the extent we can, to ensure that we take responsibilities when others are giving excuses. There are no excuses in Rotary leadership. There is only responsibility. And let us fulfill that responsibility by climbing the path of leadership and realizing that the most important person in the room is not me, but is the person who's there to serve the community, the leaders of the clubs, the members of the clubs, and their intelligent leadership and amazing thoughts and ideas can be easily garnered with a little bit of love, little bit of affection, and a little bit of holding of the hand. So hold their hands. Let us together hold all our hands in all the members and ensure that as a family, we take 3181 to greater heights than ever before. Thank you very much for inviting me and having me for this inauguration. It is my pleasure to declare the DTTS open.
Thank you, Past Governor T.N. Subramaniam, for inaugurating our DTTS and also delivering a very, very inspirational keynote address. To all the participants here, I would like to tell you that our chief guest is a lawyer, an advocate, counsel of the Supreme Court. And if he was not in Rotary and we were not in Rotary, maybe getting 1 hour of his time and 20 minutes of his time for a speech, maybe it would cost us about 3 or 4 levels of Paul Harris recognitions. Thank you, Raju, for being with us today. We are very, very honored to have you with us. When I was, there is nobody in this room who has not seen the Mahabharata. And again, we have a rerun of the Mahabharata. And whenever we used to see the Mahabharata, the first voice that came on to us was the Samai, the powerful and the commanding voice of Harish Bhimani. Today, we have with us our own Samai in District Governor Dr. Samir Haryani. And the first time I heard him was at the Chennai Institute. And it's really, the voice is soothing and it's really good. And I immediately became a fan of his. There are some people in this world who just talk or speak, but this gentleman performs as well. As our trainer, Dr. Nagarjun said, when he was in the membership development seminar, from the seminar itself, he called me and said, great things are happening here. Such wonderful ideas are coming from Samir Haryani, the governor. We should adopt these ideas. Such is the greatness of this person. And you know something, he had a conference which had more than 3,500 delegates. Now, to know more about Dr. Samir, we have our District Secretary, Dr. Vikram Datta, who will formally introduce to us. Vikram, you're on. Vikram?
Vikram, sir, you have to unmute.
Thank you, Ranganna, for giving me this opportunity. It is my proud privilege to introduce Dr. Samir. He is born in Mumbai and completed entire schooling at Bangalore. He holds UG and PG certificate under dental professional. He is married to Rotarian Rupa and she is also a dental surgeon. Couple blessed with the twin sons, that is Ritik and Rohan, both are doing their second year UG courses. Dr. Samir is running a successful multi-specialty clinic, the name the One Stop Dental Clinic. Dr. Samir is also a successful anchor and commentator. This is his personal life concern. Now let me talk about his Rotary journey. He is the active member of Rotary Bangalore Southwest since July 1998. He was a very successful Sentinel president during the year 2004 and 5. He has served Rotary District 3190 in various capacities such as District Joint Secretary, District Secretary, GSC team led to RID 1900, Assistant Governor, District Conference Chairman, District Director Membership and Extension, Chairman RPL, Public Image, Young Club Supporter, GSR.
Vikram, you have muted yourself. Vikram, you have muted yourself.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
So let me repeat as per his Rotary journey concern. Now he is the active member of Rotary Bangalore Southwest since July 1998. He was a very successful Sentinel president during year 2004 and 5. He has served RI District 3190 in various capacity, that is District Joint Secretary, District Secretary, GSC team lead to RID 1900, as Assistant Governor, District Conference Chairman, District Director Membership and Extension, Chairman for RPL, Public Image, Young Club Supporter, GSR2 Rotary Club Chikkaballapura, and so many more. Now, as per the Rotary Foundation concern, couple are a major donor level 3 and progressing towards level 4. He was recognized as the Dynamic District Secretary, Rotarian of the Year for the record in extension. That is, he has formed 52 new clubs during his chairmanship. He received Champion of the Champion Award, Compensate Service Award, so on. Samir has also served on committee of the Rotary Zonal Institution as well as RIL Summit since 2012. At present, Dr. Samir elected unopposed to lead RID 3190 as the district governor for the current Rotary year. So here I present Rotarian Dr. Samir, district governor of RI District 3190 for the year 2019-20. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now let me request the Chief Dazzler of 3190 to dazzle us on as well on the subject, the motivated chairman. Over to you, Dr. Samir.
Thank you, Governor-elect. At the outset, big thank you to...
Samir, can you hear me?
Yeah, Jose, go ahead. Go ahead.
One minute. One
Sure,
information,
boss.
please. Samir is our son-in-law.
I know. I was going to say that.
He is, his wife Ruba is from Mysore. Okay.
Hey, don't get into my speech, man, Jose. Let me say that. Tavaruru.
Okay.
That is my
Carry on.
Tavaruru. Anyways.
Carry on.
At the outset, thank you, Vikram Datta, for that kind introduction. I was glad when it was muted because when you're nearly, in the last month, when you finished 330 days of governorship, the last thing you want to hear is your introduction again. But thank you for your kind words. My batchmate, Governor Joseph and Annie, the incoming leader, the trailblazer, Governor-elect Rangnath Bhatt and First Lady Rajini, our trainer, my boss, and of course our institute chair, past district governor Raju and Vidya. I mean, trainer ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಸರ್? When the trainer who taught us everything, ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. Anyways, DGN Ravindra Bhatt, DGND Prakash Karant, past district governor Dr. Nagarjuna, who's your trainer, and our ARC, past district governor Ravi Appaji, who's heading the PPH, the Project Positive Health, and of course a great past leader. All the wonderful past leaders from 3181, PDG Krishna Shetty, Krishna Sukruti, PDG Devdas Rai, PDG GKB, and all the other past governors who I may have missed over there. The district officers, the president secretaries, the trailblazers who are all over there and attending here this morning. Good morning, Yellargu Namaskara. What a wonderful feeling to connect with 3181 because as Jose said, and as many of you said, Mysore especially holds a very special place to my heart. It's the birthplace of my wife. Namatte Mava Uru, the Tavaruru, as you say. So and that my wife wants to retire back in Mysore. So let's see if that actually happens. And for those of you who are from Mangalore, our family deity and, the Satya Devata Mandira in Gurupur, which is just 13 kilometers from Mangalore, that is our deity. So we keep coming there, at least from my wife's side, that is the case. So a lot of connection with 3181 and, Rotary connects the world. And as PDG Raju said that, Rotary has connected us with such wonderful Rotarians in your district and such wonderful Rotarians across the world. So that's one of the greatest things that Rotary has brought in my life. And that's a really, really special feeling for me this morning when I am addressing my batchmate Jose and your governor-elect Rangnath's District 3181. And thank you for having me here. And Ranga said that I want you to share, the motivation with the chairman and what you have experienced in your personal, your Rotary and your professional lives as far as motivating chairman goes. And as I said, whatever we have learned, whatever we have been taught in our journey and greatly influenced by Raju, Vidya, our directors, Bharat, Kamal, RIP and Shekhar Mehta, all of them have trained us and taught us. And when they have shared such wonderful views, all I can do is share my experiences when I held certain positions in the district. And currently this year, when I saw the love, the affection and the motivation that I got from my chairman, my directors, and my district team, which I call the Dazzlers. So I just wanted to share with all of you this morning that look, at every level, there's a dream. At every level, there's a dream. Rotary International has a dream for which it, sets strategic goals, for which it gives you a strategic plan, for which it gives you a mission statement, a vision statement, and so many statements are made because they feel that that is what is going to motivate you to go ahead and achieve the Rotary International goals. And when people like Ranga, Joseph, me, we get elected, even Ravindra and Prakash, when we get elected 3 years in advance, a dream comes to our mind. Our sleep starts getting disturbed, and the enthusiasm and the interest to go out and fulfill that dream is something that hits us first, and immediately our mind starts thinking as to what it is that we can do to make a difference, what it is that we can do to make, bring in some innovation, to bring in something unique, and to bring in something new to this wonderfully evolving 115-year-old organization. And finally, when we have something in our mind and when we have our dream and we have our vision, we go out and select the best people, the best of the best people that we feel. These are the ones, these are our friends, these are our manpower, these are our strengths, these are our muscle, and these are the people who are going to help us in our journey, and these are the people who are going to help us in achieving that mission, vision, goal, dream, whatever you call it. So at the outset, let me congratulate and compliment all the trailblazing chairmen and directors who have been selected, appointed, nominated by Governor-elect Ranga and his team of trainers and everybody else, the advisors and counselors, because you are the trailblazers who are going to help Ranga achieve his dream. You're the ones who are going to help 3-1 or 8-1 keep its flag flying high, as PDG Raju said, and you're the one who have been given the opportunity to see that Rotary continues to connect the world as one of the best organizations for the last 115 years. So compliments and congratulations to you. So coming back to my year, my start, I have 2 experiences to share with you. When I was made the chair for membership and external extension in the year 15-16. That was a year when past Governor Flight Lieutenant KP Nagesh was our governor, and just yesterday he's got elected as the representative to the Council on Legislation for the 2023 cycle from our district. So Flight Lieutenant KP Nagesh had just one vision and one dream. And I'm sure every governor, whether it is Joseph, whether it's GK, whether it is Krishna, whether it is Samir, whether it is Ranga, they want to give their best in the 365 days that are given to them. Jose and I are lucky, and the batch of 1920 are lucky. We got 366 days. We got 1 extra day to achieve more. But I think you guys are getting few extra months, because now we are actually connecting and opening opportunities together in this current scenario. But we, when we get that opportunity, we actually sit out and we actually think as to what it is that we want to make. Like he said, when you hang up your boots on 30th June, when you look back, if you have a smile on your face, if you have not lost a single friend, in fact, if you have earned more friends, and if you feel that you have done more than enough justice and you can now sleep well because your dream has been accomplished and your dream has been achieved, then I think you would have done justice to the role that was given to you. So KP Nagesh at that time gave us something that, we thought was madness, or we thought was impossible, or we thought that he's lost his head because he's got elected as governor. Salpa buddhi bhrashta agbittide, yen matarta idare ivaru anta, we thought. He actually came and said, now elladralle world number 1 agbeku. Membership irli 3190 should be number 1. Foundation irli 3190 should be number 1. Public image irli, Rotract, Interact irli, we should be number 1. That is the kind of mindset he came with. And we have this wonderful policy, whether it's in our Rotary clubs or in our district. I'm sure you also do have it. And as PDG Raju also said, the one in office, whether he's your club president or whether he's your district governor, whether he's your director or whether he's your RI president, he is the best. The current one is the best. The past ones in their term were the best. The future ones in their terms will be the best. But in our term, he is the best. So as far as we are concerned, Ranga is the best. governor, and we are going to make Ranga have the best year of his life because he is going to get this chance only once. We may get many more opportunities as chairman and director. So when Nagesh told us this, we were first, totally shocked. And we're like, what is this guy talking? Because he talked about bringing 2,000 new members into the district in a single year. 2,000 members. It has never happened before. It was never achieved before. So when he said 2,000 new members, we were like, sir, 2,000, 1 varsha, 2 varsha, 10 varsha, in plan, he said 365 days. And this was 6 months before we actually took over. Then as PDG Raju said, that you're not the ones who are going to, actually just tell them what to do. You're going to show them the way. And the governor also showed us the way that year. He had a proper structured plan. He had a logical plan. And he said, one simple formula kodtini, ille 96 clubs. We have 96 clubs. Okay, we want to take it to maybe 140, 150 clubs, maybe even 200 clubs is what he said. So if we want 2,000, we want 1,000 members from internal extension, 1,000 members from external extension. So the 1,000 member club internal growth marli 100 club idre 10 member prati club average bandre 1,000 members alinda barutte. Okay, you do 50 clubs, 20 members average in 50 new clubs, 1,000 members will come from there. So 2,000 is actually a very easily achievable target. And then we said, okay, but how are we going to go and find these 2,000 members? How are we going to go and find these, 50 new clubs? So he said, internal membership gave first and easiest access that we have. Everybody has a mobile phone. Every Rotarian has a mobile phone. Open that mobile phone. Each one will have average 1,000 to 2,000 contacts. Each Rotarian identify 2, 3, 5, 10, depending on your closeness with those contacts, and say that, we can invite them to Rotary, whether they convert or no is secondary, but we can at least invite 5, 10, 2, 3, whatever we want from our mobile phone, which has 1,000 contacts. So for internal, reach out to your personal, reach out to your professional, reach out to your community organization. The next one is external. He said, when we have voting, we have 198 voting constituencies in our district. If you see the geography of our district, we have 198 voting constituencies. Are you trying to tell me that we can't have a Rotary club in every voting constituency? Out of the 198, we have 96 clubs, but we have not covered all the voting constituencies. So identify each constituency and bring one probable Rotary club from each constituency. So we identified 96 such constituencies which didn't have Rotary clubs. So we said, okay, 96 alle, actually if one club madak hodidre, we would have achieved 96 new clubs. We were able to convert 50% of that because we reached out to gated communities. We reached out to other types of, communities, and a lot of them outside Bangalore. So out of 96 shortlisted candidates, we actually achieved 52 new Rotary clubs in a single year. So as he said, the leader had the dream, he knew the path, he showed you the way, but the executor of the dream, the person who got the credit, the person who, of course, the RI recognition will go to the district governor, but the person recognized for that effort and for going out and doing that effort, I think is you, the chairman, you, the director, and you, the one who's actually going to be the foot soldier to go and achieve the dream of your governor. So I just gave you this one example because I personally experienced it. Out of those 365 days, 220 days, I was on the move, visiting these prospective clubs, visiting these prospective membership areas, addressing them 3-4 times. And out of that, we were able to achieve 52 new clubs. So that is how you actually go about planning your year. Firstly, get the governor's vision, get the governor's, message, get his intention. But from your side, if the governor sometimes undervalues a target or underpropose a target, from your side, try and make it go to the moon or Mars or Jupiter, because even if you try doing that, you'll at least achieve the sky. So that is the kind of mantra that we had that time, the dream bigger, bolder, better, and impossible. So whenever we say impossible, the Dubai Institute showed us that impossible is nothing but I am possible. So that means there is nothing like impossible in the dictionary of Rotary. And then when we wanted to, think of dreams which are undreamable, the 2019 institute where Raju Bhai was the chair and our international trainer, and Bharat said, dare to dream. So the first thing that you need to do is dare to dream, and dare to dream big, and dare to dream impossible. That would be the first message that I would like to give you as directors and chairmen, and share that dream, sit that dream, live that dream with your governor is my first thought and my first message to you. The next point comes of the motivation. Firstly, we have the three greatest motivations that we want. We don't need to look outside for motivation. The first motivation is we are Rotarians. That's the greatest motivation. We are Rotarians. We're part of a 115-year-old organization which has shown the world why we are people of action, which has shown the world what we are capable of, which has shown the world the magic and the power of Rotary. So that's the first motivation that we all get, and that is we are Rotarians. The second one, you are Rotarians in a great district, 3181. That should be your motivation, that we are Rotarians in 3181, and that is why we want to make a difference. We want to leave a mark. We want to stamp authority to the year 2021, and we are the trailblazers who are going to actually blaze the trail. So in our year, I gave the titles to our leaders because our directors gave us, governors of 1920, a title, the torch bearers. So we are the torch bearers, Anta, they gave us that title. Now, if we are going to bear the torch, that flame has to shine. That flame of the torch can only shine if my district officers, if our presidents, and if our clubs actually dazzle. And that is the name of my clinic, that is the name of my company, and that's the entire name of my district, Rotary year 1920. So if the leaders of my district dazzle, then I am sure that that torch of the torch bearer, the flame, is going to be ever illuminated. So that is what Ranga has given you. He's given you a trailblazer title. So his trail has to leave that mark, and you're going to be blazing that trail because you're going to light up that entire path for him. So that is your motivation, that you're the one who was going to blaze that trail or light up that trail. And finally, you are Rotarians in the year 2021, where you have got an opportunity to make a difference to Rotary, to make a difference to 3181, to make a difference to yourselves. And those opportunities are going to be seen by the world in the year 2021. So when I come to my year 1920, which is the second example I want to share with you, our RI president gave us 5 messages to carry. He gave us 4, I added 1 more to that. He said that the sole purpose or the sole strategic goal of Rotary, irrespective of the situation, is to grow Rotary. Because who is the strength of Rotary? It is not the RI president, it's not the directors, it's not the governor, it's not even to an extent the club president, it is every Rotarian. Because if you see the inverted pyramid of Rotary, the Rotarian is the true power, the Rotarian is the true foot soldier, the Rotarian is our strength. So membership is always the strategic goal or the real lifeline of Rotary, because we are a member organization first, and those members are the ones who do magic and go out and do some great service to the society. So when he said grow Rotary, we again sat back and made a plan to grow Rotary. We went back to the same methodology. This time we could identify 40 prospective clubs, and we said, okay, knowing from the past 40 to 50% conversion ratio, normally they say 8 to 10%, but we aim for that. 20 new clubs is what we sat down with ARC, Dr. Nagarjuna at the Disha, and we said, we will do it. Well, we were on the way of achieving 10, but we were hit by a COVID situation. Now, COVID situation, where many people say is negative or many people say is hampered, we actually look at the COVID scenario as a new motivation. Because what I have seen in the last 5-6 weeks, I have seen the real Rotary in action. And I am glad, first all our governors sat down and said, Ayyo, yenaitappa idu, namge Aloha governor anta RI president title kotidru. Torchbearer governor was the title given by the directors. Now the world is calling us Corona governors or COVID governors. Anta, the world is saying, what are these governors, the COVID governors? But look at it. We have heard of the polio story. We have heard of the Rotary getting through world wars. We have heard of 3H grant of hunger and famine and health, hunger, drought, whatever. We have only heard those stories, and we have heard of how Rotary made a difference and how Rotaries connect, help, get over these epidemics, the world wars, the recessions. We had only heard of it. Today, we got an opportunity in the last 6-7 weeks to actually sit in the seat as the head of the district and see how the magic of Rotary unfolded, the chain of Rotary and the connect of Rotary unfold to actually make a difference and defeat the corona or the COVID situation. And now we have a story to tell our children, to tell our grandchildren, and to tell the next generation of Rotary, that Rotary defeated the COVID and the corona pandemic, and we were Rotarians who saw it live in action. So when that adversity came, we actually took that as a new motivation, and we saw the greatest activities of Rotary, because the second message is what our RI president gave us, and that was enhanced participation engagement, which even PDG Raju spoke of from our strategic plan. And he said that the best way to engage participation, the best way to enhance the public image of Rotary is by getting people into service projects and showing the world what this, ordinary members getting together to achieve extraordinary things is for real. And 5-6 weeks in the last 2 months have been the realest example. Just to quote the example of my district, the number of volunteer hours, the number of services provided by our Rotarians is incalculable or invaluable, if I want to put it. I just cannot put a number to that. But the service that we have gone out and achieved, when I recently updated the sheet, in the form of food rations, cooked meals, helping migrant workers, providing PPEs, face masks, medical equipment, whatever it is that they wanted, the pulse oximeters, we have crossed around 12 crore rupees worth service projects in District 3190. And the secret, the governor did not even ask for 1 rupee. The governor did not even have to appeal. It came from the Rotarians, it came from the clubs, it came from the leaders themselves. And that is the power and the magic of Rotary. And that is the motivation. So sometimes a situation like a pandemic or an epidemic brings out that motivation, because people want to connect together. People see that as an opportunity to get together and serve and make a difference in the society. So we enhance participation engagement with Rotarians, Rotractors, and Inner Wheel members, everybody connected with Rotary, friends, corporates coming in, giving their time, giving their skill, and of course, sharing their treasure as well. So we achieved the enhancement of participation engagement. We achieved showcasing the public image of Rotary through its service projects. And now we are recognizing each one of them in and outside Rotary to tell the world that how Rotary connected together and defeated the COVID corona pandemic. In our district, a lot of it has relaxed. It's not that COVID is over, but a lot of the work is now, on the verge of completion. And then, as PDG Raju already said, developing next generation of leaders. Each one of you chairman, each one of you director is actually one of the future leaders or the future governors of District 3181. So you, when you're in that chair, have now got an opportunity to show your talent, to show your skill, to show your capabilities, and use this opportunity to actually go ahead and show 3181 why you're there. And I found 2 such or 3 such people in my year 1920 when I shared the dream and the vision that I had. DG Ranga mentioned the conference of 3,600 people. So when we conceptualized a joint conference between Rotractors and Rotarians and said we want to go to at least 5,000 people, people thought it's not possible. But we went with that vision that it is possible. We had a conference chairman who was tuned to that thought. We had our registration chairman who was tuned to that thought. We had people in Rotract who had never seen more than 200, 300 Rotractors at their Rotract conference believe that they can bring 1,000+ Rotractors. And we could tell Rotarians and Rotary families who had never brought 2,500, 3,000 people in the past that at least 4,000 to 5,000 is possible. And that's how we went ahead and achieved that biggest conference. So like I said, if you share the dream, if you live that dream, if you accept the dream of your governor, if you sit down and work out the logistics or the kind of mechanisms that you want to bring in to actually achieve that dream, it is definitely possible, because we are proof. We are living proof. We Rotarians are living proof for the last 115 years nothing that Rotary has wanted to achieve has seemed impossible. Nothing that Rotary has dreamt of, no challenge that Rotary has taken up has failed. So let me tell you that even in 2021, 3181, under the leadership of Ranga, is going to use this opportunity. Now, as he said, as PDG Raju said, Joe's has laid the platform. The 1920 batch has connected the world for you, whether it is fellowship, diversity, integrity, leadership, service. The platform is laid. Now the opportunity is yours. Go out, grab that opportunity. And I think when we are talking on 30th June 2021, we will have a motivated governor who's going to become IPDG. And that is because of each and every one of you motivated chairmen and motivated directors. So thank you very much for having me here this morning. Thank you for inviting me, and pleasure to connect with my Tavaruru and many other connects I have in 3181, and looking to connect with you on the other side of COVID when we meet in person, because I've been invited by PDG Ravi Appaji to see those wonderful houses in Kodagu that were built. GK keeps in Connect. Krishna is in Connect. So many of you are in so many verticals now of Rotary. And I'm sure we're going to continue to work together and see that Rotary International wheel continues to turn, whether there's a COVID, Corona, polio, whatever it may be. The Rotary wheel will never stop turning, will never stop moving. Thank you very much. See you again very soon on the other side. Thank you, Ranga. Back to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Governor Samir, for that wonderful inspiration. You were always a walking icon of inspiration for me. Now you have become an inspiration for the chairman and the members of 3181. Thank you very much again. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Samir has got 3 governors' official visits today. And in spite of that, he came to 3181. Thank you again. If you want to leave, you can leave. But the meeting is going to last for another 15 minutes. If you want to stay, you can stay.
Thank you.
One more thing that I would like to share with all the participants is that PDG Raju Subramaniam is going to be the vice chairman of the forthcoming COL, and that appointment has been made by incoming President Holger Kinnock. That's a wonderful news, sir. Congratulations. Next on the agenda, it's a small...
Thanks. DG Ranga, before I sign off, thanks.
Yes.
Thanks for the opportunity. Yes, as you said, in 15 minutes, I start my next GOV.
Yes.
I had 32,
thank you very much.
I had 32 GOVs when the lockdown came in. I have done 24. I have done 24 on Zoom. And also people said, how do we grow Rotary when there is a pandemic? We have connected, oriented, and chartered 1 new club already purely on virtual platform. We have started a new club in the last 7 weeks by having 5-6 orientations on Zoom, and we did not, and 3 more new clubs are happening. This is for Dr. Nagarjuna especially. 3 more applications are going. So like I said, the Rotary work will not stop, and my last 7 GOVs will also be on Zoom, and we will be the ones who defeated COVID. So you guys are the Zoom governors, I know, but we are the ones who brought Zoom into your life. So all the best. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Raju, bye.
Bye. So next, we are going to have a small view of what the committees are going to be for next year. Let me share the screen for you. Now, every governor has got a dream, and the dream is to have a very vibrant district, and unless the clubs in the district are vibrant, nothing is going to happen. We had incoming director Venkatesh coming in for the pets, physical pets that our district was very, very fortunate to have, and we had an attendance of more than 215 participants from 81 clubs for the pets. And he was telling us that to be a vibrant club, one of the main things is that you should have regular meetings and engaged Rotarians. Bharat Pandya, our director, always says there should not be club members, but there should be Rotarians in the club. And for that to happen, you have got to make them understand Rotary. And people also come to Rotary for good fellowship activities and good district events. Then what the leaders want us to have is membership development, good TRF contributions, and of course, we, the members of Rotary, want to have global grants in our district, and the TRF is also supporting us with giving us matching for the global grants that we are doing. One important thing that we should do, and what past Governor Raju Subramaniam has told us, is to enhance the public image of Rotary. So we have got different committees that we have formed this year, and a membership committee which will be headed by membership development committee. For the chairman of this committee is going to be Shekhar Shetty, a champion in membership development. Then we have the membership retention committee. Then there is a new committee called Women in Rotary to encourage women to join Rotary. People are always talking about the gender. There is a difference. There are not many women in Rotary. That's why a special committee has been formed. And of course, we want to have the club development so that more and more people enjoy Rotary and really come into Rotary. All this will be only possible if the public image of Rotary is really enhanced. Unless people know that Rotary is doing good work, they will not come into Rotary. And it's a vicious circle. For the working of the clubs, we have different committees. Now, Rotary Stories is one new committee that we have formed. Now, great things are happening in Rotary. A lot of people are doing good work, but nothing of that sort is going out to the public, nor it is coming to the new members. Now, once the member comes into Rotary, he doesn't know what is happening in Rotary. If you tell him what has happened in Rotary, he will definitely appreciate and understand what is Rotary doing, and he will stay back in Rotary. Strategic plan is one committee that is mandatory, and the Rotary has a new vision statement, and they want us to plan and see what are we in the next 5 years. They want us to really plan for the next 5 years. Then we have the Rotary Information Committee, and we have a lot of rural clubs. And people find it very difficult to plan what kind of meetings should we be having. So we have the speakers bank, the meeting ideas, and Rotary designated months and project ideas. All these Rotary stories, the designated months, the speaker bank will be published in the GML, which will be published during the 3rd week of every month. And for new clubs and weak clubs, we have got a committee called as the mentorship committee. They will be mentoring the weak clubs. And fellowship is very, very important. So we have 6 committees for this. We have the cultural competitions, the Rotary Cricket League, the tennis tournament, the shuttle badminton tournament, and also now people are singing on karaoke all the time. And so we have the Rotary Singing Idol and sports. Now, we come closer if we are in the fellowship counter or during the cricket matches or whatever fellowship events. Now, this is one thing that will really bring Rotarians together. For the achievements, a lot of Rotarians are doing a lot of work, clubs are doing a lot of work. They have to be recognized. And this time, President Holger Kenakan said, there is no separate, for the president citation to be attained, there are no separate criterions, but the criteria is that out of the 25 criteria in the club central, you have to attain 13. We have got a social media team headed by Raghavendra, and he is already doing a great job publishing on Instagram, on Facebook, what the members of Rotary are doing in our district. We have the Rotary India website. It's going to be a same website for all the Rotary clubs in India, the 38 districts in India. We have our own website, and you can really connect with all the Rotarians in the whole of the country. Then we have got awards and citations. This time it is not awards, it is going to be citations. The criteria is changed. And in club service, we have the Toastmasters Connect, which the Rotary is promoting that we really improve by connecting with the Toastmasters. Then there is a committee for team promotion. Global rewards is a good way. I got a 20% discount while subscribing for Zoom. Then we have the committees for RI awards and recognitions, government licensing, and the convention promotion. Appreciation of history. Sometimes we always think, why do they give us history lessons in school? That is because we have to appreciate history. I have appointed 2 special committees for Rotary Day on the 23rd February, and on 19th April, we are going to have a big celebration remembering Paul Harris. And for vocational service, we have committees for career guidance, the 4-way test, the vocational awareness, the leadership development, skill development, women entrepreneurship development, vocational awards, and employer-employee relationship. These come after a long time. Then we have Then under the community service, we have Rotary Community Course. RCC is doing very well in District 3181. Preserve Planet Earth, water, sanitation. These are from the 8 verticals that our incoming leader from India, Shekhar Mehta, has asked us to do. And every one of the 8 verticals is very, very important. Health preventive, health curative, environment, tree planting, which is going to be there for the next 2 months. Then solar energy, Swachh Abhiyan, drug abuse, addiction prevention, women empowerment, avoidable blindness, cancer awareness, and blood bank. And there are more committees that in community service that you can see. For international service, the first thing is fundraising for the TRF, because TRF is doing so much good in the world. And to do all the global grants, we have the grants subcommittee. We have a very good DRFC in our district trainer, past governor Krishna Shetty, who is a really knowledgeable person when it comes to grants. Then we have the Paul Harris Society. We want more members to be Paul Harris Society members, because it will really assure a steady amount of funding, a contribution to the Rotary Foundation. We have the annual giving subcommittee, endowments and major gifts, which we don't have in our district, but we are going to start one. Then for the stewardship of grant funds, we have the stewardship subcommittee and the different committees that have to be made in the international service. And for partners in service, we have Interact, RILA, RCC, and the Chinnara Pratibhe is a committee for whom Yuvraj Jain from Mudbedre Temple Town, he is the chairman. He is already targeting about 15 to 20,000 children for really encouraging them. And it's usually from the rural areas that the children get a platform to come out and really be good students, and they can really talk on the stage. Now, connecting the dots is an attempt to make our college students get into startups. And we have a committee for youth protection also. Now that Rotaract is part of the family of Rotary, we have Rotaract, and to rejuvenate Rotaract, we have a Rotaract task force, which is made up of past DRRs. And literacy and teach. Literacy, teach are the different committees. The 5 committees under teach are there. And we are going to do great in those. And in the focus areas, we have those 6 focus areas. And committees have been formed for that. Now, the district, under district projects, we have got 3 district projects. One is Ek Chamach Kam, Char Kadam Aage, a favorite of our RI director Bharat Pandya. And then we have got Winds and Sanitation, for which we are already doing a lot of work. Then the 3rd district project is first aid training for students of schools and colleges, which we are tying up with the Red Cross to do a lot of training. Now, these are the three district projects that we are going to have. And the name of GML is going to be Avakashagalu, that is in Kannada, and translated into English, it is opportunities, because as trailblazers this year, because of the pandemic, we get to really show the world how to work in these difficult times. And we have already showed the world how to do that, because the way we are having these meets, the participation is great. And I am sure that we will continue to show the world that we can do better. Thank you very much. Now we come to impressions. I would now request our district advisor, PDG Krishna Shetty, to give his impressions on the DTTS district.
Thank you, Ranga. Friends, those who are participating in this meeting, today's meeting, they will agree with me that both Raju and Samir, with their fantastic speaking ability, with their vast Rotary knowledge and rich voice, enlightened all of us and motivated to do better in the future years. For that, my personal thanks to Raju and Samir and all the Rotarians who have really participated will definitely agree with me that they deserve an extra thanks. With this enlightenment, we are sure that we'll perform in the year 2021 in the earlier years. With this, I conclude my remarks.
Thank you, Krishnanna. I now request our district councillor, past Governor Dr. Devdas Rai, to give his impressions on the DTTS. No. I think he has already exited.
No, I'm there.
Is there? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
District Governor-elect, Rotarian Major Donor Rangnath Bhatt, and district advisor, district trainer, and all the PDGs and all the chairmen of this enlightening district team training seminar. District team training seminar was supposed to be organized in the physical manner a little while back, and we had arranged a lot of things, but the corona pandemic came in the way. But I would like to congratulate DGE Ranganath for this excellent Zoom presentations. Already 8 verticals, the proposed 8 verticals have already been discussed in the various Zoom meetings. And today we had a very good district team training seminar. I would like to congratulate PDG Raju and PDG Dr. Samir for their excellent presentations. The chairmen who have attended this have been richer by the experience, and I wish them all the very best in the next year. Rotary opens opportunities in the year 2021, and let us avail of all the opportunities afforded to us by Rotary. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. R.S. Nagarjuna. Okay. Now I request. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, and we had really very meaningful presentations. Thanks Raju and Samir for their wonderful presentations. I hope that district team is very much motivated and we will reach our targets and we will surpass our targets. Thank you, Ranga, and for wonderfully conducting the program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request our future leader, DGN AR Ravindra Bhatt, my brother, to give his impressions.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to all. This DTTS has enlightened the knowledge to all of us. The keynote address by PDG Raju Subramanian has made the Rotarian present here how to really serve in society of Rotary. The best thing was his words.
Ravindra sir, you have to unmute.
The best thing was his words, working together is a theme to success. Coming to our favorite speaker, DG 3190, Dr. Samir, as usual, his words has inspired all of us. I request all of us to dare to dream big. Nothing is impossible, and be always motivated. I request all the leaders of this year to join their hands with the DGE, Rangnath Bhatt, and put your heart and soul in the service-oriented projects to make this year a great success. The effort of DGE, Rangnath Bhatt, to make the arrangements of all these trainings is really appreciable. I thank Rangnath Bhatt and all the office bearers for giving me an opportunity to be with you. Thank you very much, Ranga.
Thank you, DG and Ravi. Now I request our future leader, DGND Prakash Karant, to give his impressions.
Respected District Governor-elect, Honorable PDGs, esteemed keynote speakers and guests, resource persons, district leaders, and team of 2020-21, good morning. I am greatly pleased to say that DG Rangnath Bhatt has arranged today's useful program very well. Our keynote speakers and resource persons delivered their talks exceedingly. Today's training session was sincere endeavor to motivate the Rotarians towards social service. Knowledge is power, and we should strengthen ourselves with this power pill. Once comprehend its usefulness, we will be empowered to smile while we serve. This training has given the direction to the coming Rotary year. The Rotary year 2021 will commence from 1st July, and the district leader, Rotarian Rangnath Bhatt, will take charge as commander of the battalion and move towards progress and Rotary prosperity. We have to prepare ourselves wholeheartedly for the coming year. Our DG is doing everything possible to prepare his team. I congratulate him and wish him all the success during his tenure as district governor of this district 3181. ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆದ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಯೂ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾರರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬರೇ ಗವರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗದೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನ ಅರಿತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್, ವೈಸ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷವನ್ನ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನಾಗಿಸೋಣ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಮೀರ್ ಅವರು ನಡೆದಂತಹ ದಾರಿ, ಅವರ ಪಯಣ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ದೀವಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸ್ವಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು DGND ಕಾರಂತ್ರಿಗೆ. Thank you very much. Again, I would like to remind the participants that the District Training Assembly Pratisthana means the foundation, is going to be held on 5th, 7th and 11th of June. On the 5th, we have the RI Director Valerie Wafer addressing us. On 7th, that is the next Sunday, we have incoming President Holger Kinnack addressing us. And on the 11th of June, we have the General Secretary of Rotary International, Rotarian John Hugo, addressing us. So we would definitely like to show them that District 3181 is not a small district. We would definitely want to have at least 1,000 Rotarians joining this meeting. And now I request Rotarian Vinayak Prabhu to propose the vote of thanks.
The best and the beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed this as a memorable and a successful event. Thank you, DG Joseph Matthew. You are a leader who inspire and set records, which is a challenge for us to emulate it. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude. On behalf of our district, I'd like to thank our inaugurator and keynote speaker, PDG T.N. Subramaniam, who graced us with his thought-provoking address, set a perfect platform for our district team. I'd like to thank PDG Dr. Samir Hiriani in his absentia for all the words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, and we thank you for being with us today. Heartfelt thanks goes to our DG Ranga, PDG Krishna Shetty, PDG Dr. Devdas Rai, PDG Dr. Nagarjun, future leaders of our district, DGN Ravindra Bhatt, and DGND Prakash Karant. To all those PDGs who always stood by us, guide us, lead us, and motivate us. We feel proud and thank you for making us feel happy with your presence to this event. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks in advance. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated district secretariat, core committee members, assistant governors. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take on the completion of this task beyond their comfort zones. Our sincere thanks also go to Praveen Udupa, a man behind the scenes to make these virtual meetings as interesting as possible. Last but not the least, I thank all the chairmen, vice chairmen, zonal leaders, and Rotarians for showing their interest in this program and coming to this program. Once again, I thank you all very much for those who have attended this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinayak. And to all the participants, I say you have made my day. Thank you very much.